Assalamu alaikum students. In today's video, I'm going to share about the important facts of Hedda's character from Hendrik's play Hedda Gabler. So watch the video till end. If you like it, give thumbs up and also subscribe the channel if you are new. So basically, as you know that Hedda Gabler is a complex character in Henrik Ibsen's play. She's a newlywed woman with a troubled past known her intelligence, boredom, and manipulative nature. Hedda struggles with societal expectations and seeks control in her life, making her a fascinating and enigmatic figure. As she says, I want for once in my life to have power over human fate. This quote encapsulates Hannah's desire for control and influence in her surroundings. So basically, students, this is the glimpse of her character from the characterization's point of view. I will share a complete note on Hannah's character. Stay tuned for more. Till then, take care. Bye bye.